Hi, this is a board smashing 100 subscriber special. Today I'll be smashing a pen. Cut! Smashing a pen on the roof just for show is so lame. Well, we ran out of things to smash. What about your sister's Xbox? What? No, how about that crappy camera? No, I got it as a gift. From where, when you were born? No, stay away. Give me that. Hey guys, so as you can tell by the title of the video right there, or wherever YouTube decides to put it, that I'll be actually smashing a really old camcorder. Thank you for 100 subs. See if I could ride down a hill with this camera dragging behind me with its own camera strap, with a camera duct taped to my scooter, and hopefully it won't fall off, and hopefully no cars pass. Okay, from that, this, cover fell off from this, which covers the tape deck. The lens cap fell off, the battery fell off, and the damage from the camera. This part is sort of coming off. There used to be a clear cap for the flash that I cannot find because it was clear. Just your basic scratches. The screen looks okay, and this rubber eyepiece thing is falling apart. There, it fell off. Actually does come on, believe it or not, but it won't go into any other mode than play. I tried turning it into shooting mode, but it didn't work. So I'm just gonna drop a rock on it from the roof and see if it still works while it's on. Okay, it missed, but it bounced onto it when it hit the ground. So I dented the metal part, and I don't think, oh my god, I don't know if you can see this, but it's all white. The screen's all white. You know it's a 100 subscriber special when you're using all the alcohol, and I put on top of a metal bucket, so can you see where this is going? As you can see, the screen is still on in bright white. Oh, it's getting into the screen. Oh, Jesus. Watch the screen to see if it turns off. Get you an up close look. But the screen is still on. Okay. The screen is still on. It's turning yellow. Better go out and then zoom in, because this is... So before it burns the whole house down, there's a big gaping hole in the bottom. Just making sure. Should probably unplug it. Yes. Now close the door and drive away so I could do this dangerous stunt. Yes. Finally, I've been standing here for like 30 minutes. Okay, this time I'm gonna try this scooter stunt again, but this time with it being all burnt up. And let's see what happens. This time a lot of things fell out. Here's the front. Glass something, probably the lens. Plastic. I actually found the cap for the flash. It went right there. More plastic. And that rest of the rubber thing from that eyepiece. And then here's the camera after the second tumble. Oh, look at that. Yep.